Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim for beginners. First, download and install the Thinkorswim desktop platform on your computer. Once installed, log in using your existing TD Ameritrade or Schwab account credentials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface, including the account information, watch lists, and charts. Understanding the layout is key to efficient navigation and will save you time later on. Navigating Thinkorswim is straightforward once you know the key areas. You can customize your workspace by adding or removing modules such as charts, watch lists, and active trader windows. The Monitor tab is essential for tracking your current positions, orders, and account balances. Additionally, utilize the real-time data and news feeds available to stay informed and make timely trading decisions. Placing trades and performing analysis are core functions. Head to the Trade tab to enter orders for various assets like stocks, options, and futures. The platform offers robust charting tools, allowing you to apply numerous technical indicators and drawing tools for in-depth analysis. Remember, it's highly recommended to practice extensively with the paper money account before committing any real capital. Thinkorswim offers many advanced features for experienced traders. Explore tools like Strategy Roller for options and learn to use ThinkScript for custom indicators. Don't hesitate to access the extensive educational resources and live support available if you encounter any challenges. They provide valuable insights and help. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.